How to bridge tokens on W chain. In this video, we will be covering how to bridge tokens from Ethereum to W chain. First, let's bridge 50 USDT from Ethereum to W chain. Make sure your MetaMask wallet is connected to the W bridge interface. As you can see, I've already approved USDT for spending. I've also approved contract interaction. This lets the bridge communicate with my wallet to initiate the transaction. I'm now confirming the bridge transaction, transferring 50 USDT from Ethereum to W chain using the bridge. Before hitting confirm, I review the gas fees. Once I'm good, I proceed. I've clicked confirm. The funds are now being bridged. This usually takes a few seconds to a minute. Done. 50 USDT has been deducted from Ethereum and is now available on the W chain. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe plus hit the bell for more W chain tutorials.